What's going on, guys? Danny Hacker here with KECO Body Repair Products. And in this video, we're going to go over our floor tower. Now, this floor tower has a ton of KECO attachments. So first off, you're going to see that we have a crown holder here. Now, this crown holder can act as a kickstand as well, right? Now, keep in mind though, if we're using this as a crown holder, this is not only you're going to get great suction with the pull tower, but this is going to give you double pulling power because of what we would call double action movement, holding the crown while we're pulling the low. Now, if I'm working on a truck, I can always slide this out, just like so, and move it up higher, especially if we're on a bedside, larger pickup, where the crown might be a little bit higher. We're gonna place that foot directly on top of the crown and pull our primary damage. Now, moving along, you're gonna see our next feature being the finite adjustment. Super important that this is installed onto the floor tower. Now, keep in mind, if we get to a point where we are maxed out or we've moved enough metal, that last click sometimes is too much metal movement. Finite adjustment is gonna give us just that little bit of movement towards the end where we can be precise and move that metal exactly where it needs to be. All right, so right now we're gonna show you how quick and easy it is to set up. Keep in mind, this does have multiple adjustments on it. So we're gonna move into the panel, get it close as we can, drop our pins, just like so. So make sure that your foot is sturdy or somewhere strong on the panel as well. You do have adjustment here in the back. I can come up just a little bit, lock it in place, ensure we're nice and straight. Now, another thing too, so this is an extension to your L2E. So utilize the pulls that are in the system. If you find yourself in a position where you want more surface area or more support, get your slapper, slide it underneath the foot. Right here, I think we're pretty good, so we're just gonna line with that. And just like your K-beam, your junior, your K-bar, same attachment. So all your adapters that are in your L2E system will fit up to the infinite adjuster. You slide it on. Make sure it's nice and straight. I'm gonna adjust it up just a little bit. Hold it tight. And then slowly just start walking it out. You can see it walks metal out really quick. And with that foot holding down the crown and holding down pressure here, I'm able to get even more pulling powers. So right there, I'm gonna stop. I don't wanna go anymore. If I need it a little bit more, I'm gonna have my infinite adjustment here to be able to tighten it up very, very precisely. So now I have some crowns. That's where you're gonna grab your blending hammers and continue working them step damage out. Now once I get some metal movement, starting to loosen up a little bit, infinite adjustment. And start turning some more. And back down, a little more crown work. And just like that, that easy. So guys, you can see we roughed this out really quick. Now you can see the importance of finite adjustment and our double action crown holder here. If you want to check this product out, you can find it at kecotabs.com. Reach out to us if you have any questions. Have a great day and pull some metal.